Yeah, Sanya maybe say yana udi achiri pa friend Kwame Brobe appear. You didn't be doing come on this one, but who share krata no omode aba no a almost investigation na investigation no team na almost set up no Cape Coast rep from Cape Coast Teaching Hospital eka ho the trauma and specialist hospital and I think so the regional health directorate and the regional coordinating council and attorney general's office and so can who be no more investigation but the papa yi can person just say one the body na man say or person yi na osia obetimi aye. That is according to information and the man no by any minua Kwame Ninko one musa say some of these things. One say a patient no a request say oba wo ye o ne bra so wo na abia obre e wa wo mu no request say munya me sei ne ma me say munya ne sei doctor for say nyom number kire de be ye maye musa no nti safo gina so ma me na ye ne no eni nkomo me nua pani me mo ache mo akwa ba
Sir John me do so no pai
na me dire sa pombo ko de
nyame adum pa na mo so e
nyame adum in fact kun ni sa nkomo yi nkomo amekasi e di na ye den a ye beba so na ye pick some of these matters up na ye hwe said ye betimi aboaye na
sure
you've been handling some of these cases e ba de den a bi o ya gusa wo say de si ye fa ne sen na sen so ne ye nyeno baby I me do start here finish say patient na BBSC na o say ye fa we awo mu na ohun say baby adru no ono ankasa obre ontimi enchim ontimi ntie ne amunya me CS na Dr. Beka say mon kire me de meye bacho say eba sa oba wo so owo that right to determine say doctor baby amadri munye say mame na so request ya e wo say doctor nso ye ne sa ma no ana
you say John medasi on pena machia telephone so enti say we kan no say obi kwa wo so na wo so nkrampo patient bi a wa hospital a o kwa paya resa no ye wo bi a friend say patient autonomy the change ni say patient no ho kwan say odin susuye a affecting ono one health care choices a ope edito empanyefo nanim na omo de tu manim na omo na ya nhwemu na e ade e be yi a e wo say yema no enti no de e patient no right awo to make a choice say we na me pe sebe obi kwa onko into labor no before that time no timi electricity me de me kwa wo so a munya me see utie enkomo e course ya you can clearly see say there was poor maternal effort Ebiana Obano or struggle, especially in the first time, no, we knew how to go about it. So if truly that request was made, say with the CS, now there was no contraindication or anything that prevents them from doing it there. Now me doing the hospital, so omo I said also muye. Won't mean boss we move preoccupying kase anyone abet say dem here. E wo say wunya ntina so. Ebia me dey mfa to ho Akwano for kind of so all by there's a brief presentation. There's a lot of indications that you have to look at, but then it's a choice or the decision of the patient to elect say Monfa Kwan say so and Famboane.
I don't know, Pacho. I was said doctor, you know, the man of that choice now say
no, the choice is from the patient. Or no, I tell me say a patient autonomy. No patient now no all say and can't to know. So of course to now that the idea will be near the year won't be our can be free so and I make us say, and she say, oh, I say, who pay a woman area than a more, body area than all, and you have a right and control over your body. It is a little cafe. I dear Mopes and Modium men pet or so die. Also, cafe, the more young and Mrs. and I'm a penicilla. Let's say, a woman of media, and she say, be any single idea, your own panel, I was a Omiyama. A meeting at Oko Hospital, one share one paper as a consent. The patient no consented to idea. Yes, she be a friend informed consent. And say na Obama who quite say in Woodman. Wow, but say madam, as soon as okay, who suicide only A B C D E. Ye say more say ni basi, ye say more say ni basi. Risk woman e be a benefit out there. Nti sanko modino e be at the point in time na patient and never say writing the call ya. Only in that frame of mind that obetime having all those conversations that there are relatives that could be spoken to. Almost what catch them say ya tia ya jepini. So that process is established. And he says, say I'm passing request say or PCS. Now any indication we are medically say yes na any idea. Now me doing say you see
na but eba say ya we are by legal matters of course utie the Central Regional Health Directorate no some by investigation. Say yemfa say patient are making that choice. I was say yenya evidence to that effect. Say yes or make this choice and you the same because what say patient no so choice no betime lead to something unfortunate I betime see. Do we have to document it? Say this is the patient's choice. Nti ye BBC a patient no na ono ankasa de ya because bi na doctor no ene ne nya adwen de but any choice no nti wo ya ma no what is it dey na
hospital now that hospital man waka tempese misori kofi na doctor na ka cho say wo nto or say maybe me discharge against medical advice. What does it mean? Doctor Nesman calls that autonomy lies with you. And they also say document to say patient request say OPC. Yes, you check me say check investigations no go so I think they just want to establish the cause of death. On say a hospital ma you'll be a friend of maternal mortality audit. And I was say audit no the root cause of what killed the person. The family can also elect to even have an autopsy done, okay, just to have a confirmation of their suspicions. But clearly, because it's medical in nature and scientific, no, do maybe evidence, it becomes a bit difficult.
Yeah.
It's investigations, maybe, I mean, I was so weird. Now, the answer now between a hospital negligent and so negligent, no. And yeah, they are trying them. You was here say protocol na yasha to say the dia wono hospital no omudi so ana omo ndi so ahe fa na omuto osini esinto na omuto osini na ndekọ fo owo ni ba na say be na ifa no be dada. So there are a lot of investigations that we need to do to unravel what actually killed the person. On the face of it, obi abetumaka say hospital na negligent bia sa na ebi hu no, but investigations no any protocols no ne establish rules na dey aduma e wo sa komodie ya wo die ne sa anima and e be kire say there has been a breach and a breach na esino and no na akofa owo na ba, then you can establish a prima facie case. I will be gina so a wo de betu sa na mo no akope say the attention ni ana say empata se fata e wo sa se bi
enti e ba ne say ya akwanya ben life no de abusuan na Lucy life na wie but say as part of maybe abusuan anamontu ombeso mutu for justice any identity no kwaba no be fa so a deal with this matter even though directorate ni some investigation if say abusuan no hu ni say no yes we your investigation e ba yen so ye okwan fa so e pese matter no na ye hu de ewo ne asotwe bi a omo hu ni say e de say asotwe bi komo obi e de no betimi aye as an expert who advise you de no betimi aye.
Oh, Sir John, I mean, because I'm in this space, I know, say, most of the times on this investigation, they do a report on who say BBNC. The entire country will be able to be actually winning by a committee. Most of the committees will come up, but eventually, you know, it is very difficult for you to even hear, say, committee now recommended sanctions. We say, Rebecca can advice, they say, if the family thinks that something has gone untoward, we can initiate a private. Obviously, say I buy an asset up in university. I don't know. I'm sure suspect is there is a private facility. It is regulated in that space, and you know, or more regulators are. I mean, hospitals and so like you rightly said, no committee now. But me imagine say the family should also pursue it from their own side. Say the bear or move start and say, oh, the objective of all these conversations we are having is say we want it to serve as a deterrent to other people. We only
exactly that's the point.
Onipa who through negligence or hospitals no, I'm telling you, omo such accident for. Memo patients ni be nya kukudu asemisi a omo be kasa anase abusuan no betua abnamon wa ba abonten be kana wanya mwa. It is say e dey na wan kasa in jai of fire. It is a hospital no why from so it is a report and they can say within the community south facility no and no be place sure that's an allegation. Memo say am pass sa na tia. It means that the BNC and the Koswa, and nobody is held accountable. So all that we are saying is that there should be proper accountability. where health professionals are held accountable to certain standards. Now you making sure say enquiry offer I get to review with the aggression level. It is a woman when you know my canny abrasion under the carpet. We have to pursue it to its logical conclusion. But the point is that you imagine a family so. And that is what we do every day. If they need that help, I'm sure that we can offer that assistance to them to help them get to the bottom of this matter.
Mame confirm from family no now can say ebi ana facility no be private. But say confirm whether say private and I say public facility. So for obetimi confirm ya my say facility no ye